Hello, everyone, and welcome back to SmartTalk English. My name is Maya, and I'm very happy to have you with us today. This channel is created especially for English learners who want to improve listening and speaking in a calm, easy, and natural way.
Hi, friends, I'm Ryan. Before we begin today's lesson, please take a moment to like this video, subscribe to SmartTalk English, and share it with someone who is learning English. Your support helps us continue creating free English practice for you.
This is episode 02, and today we are talking about a very common and very useful topic, your daily routine in English. This topic helps you in real life, at work, in school, and in simple conversations with friends.
We will talk about morning routines, work or study time, lunch, afternoon, evening, and night routines. All the sentences are simple, clear, and easy to copy. So relax, listen carefully, and let's start.
Ryan, before we start the lesson, let me ask you a simple question. How are you feeling today? Are you feeling energetic or a little tired?
To be honest, I feel a little tired today. I stayed up late last night watching a movie, but I still feel okay. Some days are busy, and some days are slow.
That's very true. And talking about how we feel is also part of our daily routine. Small conversations like this help learners feel more comfortable speaking English. What is a daily routine?
Maya, many beginners ask this question. What does daily routine really mean?
That's a great question. Your daily routine is the activities you do almost every day. For example, waking up, getting ready, working or studying, eating meals, relaxing, and sleeping.
And when you can talk about your routine clearly, you can easily talk about your life in English.
Morning routine. Let's start with the morning. Ryan, what time do you usually wake up on a workday?
I usually wake up at around 6:30 in the morning. I don't like waking up early, but I need enough time to get ready without feeling stressed.
I understand that feeling. When I wake up, I stay in bed for a few minutes and slowly wake up. Then I get out of bed and open the window to let in fresh air.
That sounds nice. The first thing I do is brush my teeth and wash my face. It helps me feel fresh and ready for the day.
After that, I usually take a shower. I prefer a warm shower because it helps me relax and think about my plans. Breakfast routine.
Breakfast is very important for me. If I don't eat breakfast, I feel tired and hungry later.
I agree. I usually eat something light like toast, eggs, or fruit. I don't like heavy food in the morning.
I usually drink a cup of coffee and eat cereal or bread. Sometimes I eat quickly if I'm in a hurry.
That happens to many people. But when I have time, I like to eat slowly and enjoy my breakfast.
After breakfast, I leave my house and go to work. I usually take the bus because it's convenient.
I walk to work because my office is close to my home. It takes about 15 minutes, and I enjoyed listening to music while walking.
That sounds relaxing. On the bus, I usually listen to podcasts or look outside the window.
Work or study routine. At work, the first thing I do is check my emails and write a small to-do list.
That's a good habit. My job involves helping people, so I spend a lot of time talking and answering questions.
Do you feel busy in the morning or in the afternoon?
The morning is usually calm, but the afternoon is very busy. I need to stay focused until the end of the day.
Lunch routine. What time do you usually have lunch?
I usually have lunch at around 1 o'clock. I try not to eat too much.
I often bring lunch from home. It saves money and is healthier.
Sometimes I eat with my colleagues. We talk about work and life, and it helps reduce stress.
Afternoon routine. After lunch, I sometimes feel sleepy. I drink water and take a deep breath.
Yes, afternoons can be slow. I try to finish my important tasks first.
Evening routine. When I finish work, I go home and change my clothes immediately.
I like to take a short walk or relax for a few minutes.
In the evening, I usually cook dinner or help my family.
I sometimes watch TV or listen to music to relax.
Night routine. At night, I prepare for the next day. I check my schedule and set my alarm.
I try to sleep at the same time every night. Good sleep is very important.
Before sleeping, I like to read or think about my day quietly.
Here is a simple tip for learners. Try to speak about your routine out loud.
Yes, use simple sentences like, I wake up at 7 or I go to work by bus. This brings us to the end of Smart Talk English, episode 02. Today we talked about how to describe your daily routine in easy English.
If you enjoyed this episode, please like the video, subscribe to Smart Talk English, and share it with other learners.
Write one sentence about your daily routine in the comments. Practice every day.
Thank you for listening. Keep learning, keep practicing, and we'll see you in the next episode.
Take care and keep speaking English.
Take care and keep speaking English.